Hi, so this is a everyday carry laptop sleeve video. Not really a review on any of the products, however, just what I use as a property developer slash entrepreneur in my day-to-day necessities of what I carry with me. So I'll just go down the list. Also, I usually every end of every week take everything out, disinfect it, put it back in my laptop bag. So um, this would be like a 2022 update for me. And start off with the bag first. It's the Lacdo 360 laptop sleeve for 13-inch laptops. Pretty good quality. I'll have links for everything below in the description. Pretty well built, solid. I had this for a few years now in the gray colorway, so really great. And you can watch me put all this stuff back toward the end of the video as I go through everything. We'll just start off here at the right. We have a 6-inch general ruler. This also has a lot of information for units on the back side for decimal equivalents. So you never know in a bind if you need something. So it's always nice to have this on hand, especially with a notebook. Next up is the Zebra G750. This is, I like quality things, as that's what, the type of products that I build. This is a gel pen, replaceable ink cartridges. One probably lasts me about 6 months or so. So it's really good, really nice quality, really good weight to it. So you always know you're not leaving your pen around or leaving it behind. Next up is the Pental 0.5 millimeter graph. I think it's called the GraphGear 500, this model. Again, plastic upper, hidden eraser, and a metal bottom grip area. Really nice, really quality product. I've had this one for about 8 years now, so it's very, very high-end. Will get you through a lot for the price these are. Next up, just for markings, I keep any cheap Papermate. I think this is the flare models. Any color, whatever, they come in a 3 or 4 pack. I just carry one at a time. When it runs out, grab another one from the office. For the mechanical pencil side, the high polymer eraser by Pental. Again, it's very good stationery. I just grabbed this one, fairly new, probably in the last week or two. Doesn't get much use on digital plans anymore, but they used to when everything used to be hand-drawn. Next up in that pocket with stationery is just a generic Swiss Army knife, and then I put a little SIM ejector tool. This thing probably save you a lot of things if you're on a job site somewhere, and it's usually in your truck and bag. But this one is the one with the scissors here. So in a laptop bag, this comes in very handy for a lot of different reasons, with stationery, obviously. Next up, I just got one pocket, the top pocket in the 360 bag. This is for the, I can't pronounce this, Lasuney. This is just a cheap Amazon dongle I found. This one has LAN, USB 3.0, 2 more on this side, HDMI, USB-C. Also, I got this when they got rid of all the ports on these Apple laptops. So really good. Hasn't given me any trouble personally. SD card reader, micro SD card reader. So highly recommend it. If you just want something cheap and to store, also stores a few USB drives, flash drives if you need them. In a pinch, they're always here with the dongle if you need them. So that's a really good product. Next up is probably the largest pocket on this. On the outside of the 360 sleeve houses the new Magsafe charger. Glad this is back. I just have these little wire ties, cheap again off Amazon, linked below. USB-C, Lightning to USB-C phone charger. Always on the go, always in the truck, always good to have another USB to Lightning. Got rid of the Apple brick for this slim, compact AOHI dual USB-C charger. Power detect, also has a little LED indicator for device charge. Really good, 40 watt. You know, I have two things I need to charge up at all times, and rather have them on the wall rather than on the MacBook, so the phone stops, you know, doesn't start syncing and doing all its weird things. But really good, compact, probably weighs about the same as the Apple 30 watt charger I believe it ships with for the MacBooks. This is just 40. It gives a little juice, faster juice charge time for the laptops, and very, very compact compared to the old Apple bricks, which, you know, probably, I want to say half the size. They're probably the same thickness, but half the physical dimensions. I don't have an iPad. I like using an old notebook still. So this is just a regular, you know, a journal. Won't go through it. It's got some notes in it, but yeah, these come in handy. They're a company called PaperCode. Get them in 2 packs on Amazon. Really nice quality, nice outer faux leather, probably not real, but you know, gets the job done. That's what it's about, right? Getting the job done at the end of the day. For the 2022 update, I don't really need a MacBook Pro in my line of work, so I just get whatever MacBook Air is out at the time. So right now, this is the new M2 MacBook Air, 13-inch, pretty solid with the Touch ID. That's one upgrade I liked. I wasn't a fan of the Touch Bar or anything, but you know, they've come in leaps and bounds, especially with this type of display in the future, or these coming years. The design is pretty cool. It's back to that like wedge shape that I've known from decades past. But overall, really great little laptop. Lot of power for, you know, something so compact these days. And if you're still here, I gotta put all of my stuff back in my little sleeve. So if you want to watch me do that, you know, have at it, and let me get to it. Notebook, always just kind of handy. Keep it in the sleeve back here. MacBook, large, nice lined. I don't know what material this is. Pocket, MacBook. We'll go into this pocket here. And let me see if you guys can see that. This little small pocket here, that's where I put the USB-C dongle. Perfect fit right in there. This larger pocket, this is the one for all of my power supply stuff. So usually Lightning will go all the way in the back corner. And then laptop cable. And the charger kind of fits right on top there to keep the whole setup simple and neat. And then this last pocket, the upright pocket, this one is for all my other accessories. So Swiss Army knife all the way in the corner, eraser right up front, marker, so pretty much least to most used items. So marker all the way in the back. Next up is the pencil, because, you know, why not write in ink and not make any mistakes, right? And the ruler, and then because this zebra pen is made of steel, it's very hard to use this flick, so it's awkward to put back in, but just give it a second. There you go, everything's nice and neat, packed up, right, ready to go. I wish there was some type of slimline handle or something on this case, but I just kind of grip it. You can already see there's an indentation here. I just kind of hold it like this with that USB-C dongle if I'm ever carrying it. Usually doesn't leave the center console of my truck, but you know, if I gotta go mobile or something, I'll just kind of grab it from there. But it'd be really nice if this sleeve came with, you know, a nice stitched handle or something right at the top. Would literally check off all the boxes. But again, I've been using it for a while. It's a great little package, very compact. I mean, I'm probably 2.5, 3 inches off the tabletop. you know, 14 inches wide, and then I don't know, 7 inches tall, 8 inches tall, something like that. So really nice compact series for the size. So I hope you like my little everyday carry laptop tech bag. Alrighty, let me know how I did in the comments below. Thank you.